Hi students, today we will discuss about how the socialism process, which was very active in Russia, or at the same times we will discuss about the making a socialist society in Russia. So dear students, here we will try to understand how did the socialist society emerge in USSR. So students, as we know that when the Bolshevik party came into being, they brought several changes in the nations to make a socialist society. So in order to make the socialist society, they brought the changes, that is such as the industries as well as the banks were nationalized. At the same time, the land redistributions happens, and the land redistributions, when it has been happened, they given rights to the peasants to cultivate the lands here. So in order to progress the Russian society, what they did was they made the central planning, that is known as the centralized planning, and according to the centralized planning, they set the target of 5 years, and within the target of 5 years, they made the target in order to achieve the economical goals in the society. So dear students, as we know that when they came into powers, here the Bolshevik parties, they brought the changes, that is such as the industries as well as the banks were nationalized. There was a centralized planning. There was a target which has been set by the Bolshevik party, and the target was made for 5 years, and each 5 years they will review the situations, that how far the society has been having its growth, and at the same time the government who fixed all the prices and they regulated the markets, and at the same time they try to promote the industrial growth here. And as soon as they made the industrial goods, they made the targets to use the oil, the coal as well as the steels. So when the coals, the oil and steels will be used, they will achieve more economic growth in the society. So dear students, according to their planning, as we see that their target is to achieve economical growth in the society, and when they were trying to achieve economical growth, they brought all the changes in the society. The industries was given more importance, the banking sector was given more important, the cultivation sectors was given more important, the agricultural sector was given more important. And what is the reasons behind this? Because they wanted to achieve economical growth in the society. So dear students, apart from that, when the economical target was achieved, then we see the new factories which came into being, and after new factories which came into being, there is industrial cities which has been growing rapidly, and apart from that, the industrial productions which was increased rapidly in the society. And when the industrial growth happened, we see the working conditions of the worker was very painful, because it is the sudden changes which happen in the society, and when the sudden changes happen, we see the hardship of the worker, we see the crisis of the worker. The worker has to face lot of challenges in the society, and what are some of the challenges the worker has to face? The challenges are such as when the rapid constructions was happened, it was leading to the poor working conditions of the worker. So dear students, as we see that, so when the challenges were made during that time, we see and we understand that the working conditions was very poor. The worker has to struggles at the initial period. So at the initial period, they used to have lot of struggles in the society. So as we see that they were going through a very hard time, they were having very hardships, so they do not have the proper arrangements, they do not have the proper facilities in their working areas. In order to go to the toilets, they have to climb up, they have to go outside, by climb up the high areas, So these are the situations the worker has to go through during the initial periods of the industrial growth in Russia. So dear students, apart from that, the Bolshevik party, they made lot of changes in the society because their target is to achieve socialist society in the nations, and in order to achieve the socialist society, their target is to have more changes in the society. They are such as they extended the schooling systems, and at the same time what they did was they made several arrangements for the peasants and workers to enter into the universities. They made the creches for the children as well as for the women, and at the same time the cheap public facilities were arranged, or it was made so that everyone can have better health facilities, and at the same time model quarters were made. So these are the major changes which occurred in the society. So dear students, we understand that in order to make the socialist society, in order to develop the society, these are the changes which was made by the Bolshevik parties when they were trying to make this socialist society in USSR. So dear students, here why the government is making such kind of arrangements? Because they wanted to achieve the better economical growth in the society. They wanted to make better society in the society, and that is the reasons they are having all these changes. So here we see that the schools was given more importance, the university, the education systems, all these things was given more importance so that the peoples will become literate, they will become educated, and as soon as they become educated, they will become the resource of the nations. At the same time, the creches were made for children, the public health facilities was given. And why all these facilities was given by the Bolshevik party? In order to achieve better atmosphere in the society, better conditions in the society, in order to achieve the economical growth in the society. These are the changes which has been made by Bolshevik party to make the socialist society in USSR. So thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you, children.